This is their little pool friend. They're emptying the pool to clean it out, and we have frogs in the pool. That's adorable. Cute little booger. Hello everybody, an update on the froggy situation. We actually had this pool for the kids to play in, one of the little ones, last year, and they just left it out and all that good stuff, and it kind of looks nasty and everything, but that's okay. We took some of the water out of the pool and we made a home for the froggies. We also moved some of the... Is that one that's hatched? No, I don't know. We also moved some of their eggs so they wouldn't lose their babies. But we've transferred 2 little froggies to this little pool. So hoping they'll stay here and enjoy their little life. So there's a friendly neighborhood. What would you call them? Oh well, they're cute and I didn't want to see them die, so there we have it. The little froggies. Oh, he's gonna move. He moved. But I think this is a good home for him. And it's got quite a bit of shade here, so maybe they'll be happy and stay out here away from the pool.